I have a very big God who is always by my side. A very big God by my side, by my side. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very, very necessary. So today I'm sharing with you how I made this simple breakfast idea. I call it mini sausage brands or mini corn dogs. So let's go. So to begin with, I prep my ingredients and I start by cutting my sausages into mini sizes. Then I pat it dry. So now I insert my mini skewers, or you can also use normal toothpick depending on the sizes of your sausages or hot dog. So now my sausages are ready. I just set it aside, and then these are my ingredients. I'm gonna list all ingredients in the description box so you check it out. So let's go. So in my mixing bowl, I prepare my pancake batter. So I add my milk, eggs, sugar, I add my vanilla extract, then I add my flour, salt to taste, baking powder, baking soda, some nutmeg. You can also use cinnamon powder. Then I stir. So once it thickens, you can choose to add a little water, or you can choose to add some milk to it. So now this is the consistency I want. So I just dip my sausage in my flour just to help it soak the batter very well. So you pick your sausage and then you dip it in the pancake batter and then straight into your oil. And then that's it. Now that the school children are going back to school, we've started work. Sometimes you need some simple breakfast idea to try. Trust me, friends and family, you can try this. Just look at how beautiful it is. It's healthy, it's sweet, and then very simple to prepare. And everybody loves it. It's also handy to eat. So why don't you try this and give me a comment? Thank you so much, guys, for how far we have come. I really appreciate your support, the likes, the comments. Oh my goodness, God bless you. And if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. So this is it. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. God bless you and see you in our next video. Bye bye.